Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're gonna recreate beauty originally created by Malika Favre. What you will need for today is our We Love Art box, available on weloveart.com. In this box you will find our pre-sketch canvas, 7 colors of paint, even though we only use 3 colors today, 3 brushes, a big one for all the big areas, a medium one for the blending, and a small one for all the little details. And that's it! Happy painting everyone! So what I do is I hold the brush really close to the bristles, just like this. Then I rest the palm of my hand anywhere on the canvas, which is dry. If the white is still too wet, just wait for the white to dry a little bit. Now my white is dry, so you hold your big brush really close to the bristles, rest the palm of your hand on any spot which is dry, and then you go, off you go like this. Now, the beauty of these big brushes here, you can see this has a really thin flat side, and the same for the side of the brush is also really thin and flat. With this you can create perfect lines here, look. So you cover slightly the grey outline. Perfect. You see how easy this is? The second when you feel that your brush is getting dry, all you need to do is repeat the process, add a little bit of water, really not too much. Just a little bit, repeat the process and add the lines again. What some people do, because the top part here I cannot really see, some people prefer to turn the canvas around and then add the lines here at the top. For me, I don't really feel the need, but if you prefer that you can see better if you turn it around, because here at the top it's more difficult to see, whereas the bottom here I can very clearly see what I'm doing. If you want the same effect, you can just turn it around, and otherwise just follow me with what I'm doing. Now, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and looking forward to see you very soon again. Bye!